Hello, second graders, and welcome to our math video today. Today we're going to do some practice. Cumulative practice means we're going to look at practice from all of the chapters that we've covered up to now, 1 through 8, except for the one that we skipped. Don't worry about that one yet. All right, so we're going to do page 393. Cumulative practice 1.8 or 1 through 8. And number 1 says, which equation can you use to check your answer to 32 minus 18? Now, I have an extra piece of paper here because I want to show you what I'm thinking. When I'm thinking about how I'm going to check my answer, when I'm doing a subtraction problem, I think about when we were doing our fact families. Remember, we had 1 plus 2 equals 3, or 2 plus 1 equals 3, or 3 minus 2 equals 1, or 3 minus 1 equals 2. Right? We have all of those possibilities. Let me bring this down just a little bit closer so you can see those. All right. Those are the same 3 digits, the same 3 numbers, and we just put them into 4 different problems. 2 are addition problems, 2 are subtraction problems. So here's what we need to do. We need to check the answer and find out which one of these is going to give us, is going to be able to be the one to check our answer. Now, in these problems that I just wrote, I have the digits 1, 2, and 3. They're in a different order here, and a different order here, and another order here. But they're only 1 and 2 and 3. So when I'm going to check this problem, I want to look for answers. I want to look for possibilities that only have that set of numbers in them. So I need a 32, an 18, and something else. So I need a 32, an 18, and something else. 3 numbers. All right. So let's see. I have a 32. Check. I don't have an 18. So I'm guessing it's not going to be this one. All right. So I can put a little X next to that one. I have an 18. That's here. I have a 32. That's here. And then we'll have to check and see what the answer is. All right, and then I have a 14 is not one of them. 4 is not. No, I have some numbers that don't fit. So I know that it won't be that. All right, and here I have an 18. Check. A 14. Well, no, it could be this one. And a 32. Check. So I'm guessing, since this one has an 18 and a 32, and this one has an 18 and a 32, that it's got to be one of these. And right away, I can say it's not this one, and it's not this one, because it doesn't have my numbers. All right, so now let's see. 32 minus 18. What I can do is I can just set this up as a problem. 32 minus 18. I don't have enough to take away 8 from 2, so I'm going to take one of these sets of 10, right? That leaves me with 2 sets of 10, and now I put that 10 over here. I don't have 2 anymore. Now I have 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 32 minus 18 is 14. Now let's see if I can put this into another formula, another way to look at it, like a fact family. All right, so now I need a 32, an 18, and a 14. Let's see, so 32 minus 18 equals, and now I know that the answer is 14. I need to find out which one of these, this one or this one, will come up with my possibility. Let's see. 18 plus 14 plus 18 plus 14 equals 32. Let's see if that works. 18 plus 14 equals 32. That follows my fact family pattern. I could also say 14 plus 18 equals 32, and 32 minus 14 equals 18. This is one that will work. So I'm going to color in this. Let's check and see this. 18 plus 32. Well, no, 32 is my biggest number, so I know it won't be that. All right, so we have figured it out. 18 plus 14 equals 32 is a way I can check 32 minus 18. Let's look at number 2. Which number does not belong? Let me fold this over. Which number does not belong? 324, 334, 344. So when I'm checking, I'm looking and I'm seeing that my hundreds are staying the same. So I could keep going and say, this is 300, 300, 300. Are my ones staying the same? They sure are. The ones column has 4. Are my tens staying the same? 324, 34, 44. Well, guess what? Now I know that they're going up by one set of 10. So what would be my next number? 354, 364, 374. All right, so let's look and see what I have down here. 300. Well, this is here. I know that that does belong. Make sure you remember the question. Which number does not belong? 354? It does. 364? It does. 374? It does. Which number does not belong at all? The only number that's left, 345. All right, let's go to the next problems. Find the missing digits. Now, this one, I just take a look and I say 4 plus 3. What are my missing digits? I need to get from 4 plus 3, and I know that that's a near double. That's the same as 3 plus 3 plus 1 more. That's 7. Something plus 6 equals 8. How many do I need to add to 6 to get all the way up to 8? Well, I only need to add 2. All right, and there was a problem in my book, so I had to rewrite the problem. But I have something plus 6 equals 5, and 4 plus 1 equals something. Wow, this one looks challenging. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see. I can't add just 1 because that would be 7. 2 would be 8. 3, 9. This is a stumper. How am I going to add something to 6 and end up with a number that's smaller than 6? Oh, I know. I need to start thinking about numbers that will end in 5. If I add a 6 to this, well, then it would be a 12. That doesn't end in 5. What if I add 7? That would be 13. That doesn't end in a 5. What about 8? That would be 14. How about 9? 9 plus 6 equals 15. That ends in a 5. So I'm going to put a 9 here. 9 plus 6 equals 15. But here's the here's the 5s. And I have one set of 10 to go there. 1 plus 4 plus 1 more. You can add them any order you want. I'm going to say 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 1 more is 6. And there's our answer. All right. And now I think I have the same exact problem. I have missing numbers. 6 plus something is going to equal a number that ends in 1. I am just not sure. Let's see, I can't add a number and have it be less than this, but I can have a number that is 2 digits that ends in 1. All right, so I think, where's my starting point? Let's see, I'll do a double. 6 plus 6 equals 12. That ends in 2. Let's go one less than that. 6 plus 5 equals 11. So that would be a 1. And my 1, my set of 10 would go up here. So 6 plus 5 equals 11. There's my 1. And then 1 plus 5 equals 9. Well, let's see. 1 plus 5, there it is, plus something else. 1 plus 5 equals 6. I need to know what plus 6 is going to equal 9. Think about it. You're right, 3. 1 plus 3 plus 5 equals 9. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. We have practiced these first few problems. I hope that your brains are getting ready to attack this assessment that we do. We are going to be all ready for it when we come to it later in the week. All right, have a fantastic day, and I will see you later.